Right, two questions coming up that I can see people are going to get back to front. Okay, here it is. You've got a graph x equals 2. The one below, grab it, is the graph y equals -1. So, x equals 2. Right, well here it is. That right there is x equals 2, isn't it? Right? No y, it's just x equals 2. Now this is where people make a mistake. They think that an x equals graph, it's like the x-axis, it goes along here. Remember, this is the x-axis, and that one's the y-axis, up and down. Okay? Now, what it is this. You'll kind of see it working. And it's this. Look, that is x equals 2, but so is that point there. Okay, that's x equals 2. It happens to be y equals 4. So what? Okay, down here, let's have a look. This point here is x equals 2. It happens to be y equals -10. So I'll just label these 2, -10 is that bottom point there. Okay, this point here is 2, 0. Okay, no y's. And this point here is 2, 4. Okay, so notice it doesn't matter what kind of table I do of x's and y's, x is always 2. Okay, so whether it's 4 for a y, or 0 for a y, or -10 for a y, an x equals is, here we go, a vertical line at that number. Alright, that is the graph of x equals 2. We tend to put little arrows on the end because they do go on forever, they don't just stop here. But that's it, so remember that. X equals is a vertical line. Let's look at the next one. Y equals is going to be a horizontal line. The reason is look, there is y equals -1. Okay, little table of x and y. Okay, so -1. That point there is -1. Sorry, it's 0, no x's, just -1 down the y. So there we go, right? No x, just -1 down the y. Well, where else is y is -1? Let's go here. This is -6 on the x-axis, but still -1 on the y-axis. Over here, let's go for this x is 9. This is x is 9. But it's still y equals -1. Okay, so look at all those numbers the same. Can you see that that's why the y equals is a horizontal line? Okay, and you can put the arrows on again. Okay, and that's how you do that. Just remember the difference, all right? So again, y equals is a horizontal line at that number. X equals is a vertical line at that number. People get them back to front.